What's happening, guys? Today's gonna be a little different. Today we're gonna turn this into a tool to cut this. Alright, so the next step in the low-cost project is I want to form the hood mold. So in order to do that, we're gonna be shaping some foam. So I bought a bunch of EPS, expanded polystyrene foam, but it's a real pain to cut. So the best way to cut it is with a hot wire cutter. So we're gonna take this $60 Black & Decker drill and we're gonna turn it into a cordless hot wire cutter. So let's get started. We split the case, we pulled these two little pigtails out. The drill doesn't work anymore, but when I pull the trigger I get about 20 volts across these two. So we're gonna pigtail off of that, and that's what's gonna be our power supply for this thing. And then once we're done with it, we could hook it back into a drill if we wanted to. All right, let's stick together the frame. We're just gonna be using a couple of scrap pieces of cedar, some wood glue, and some zip ties probably. Alright, the next step on this fairly crude hot wire build is the cutting wire. So we're just using a stainless steel picture hanging wire and the spring out of a ballpoint pen. That's all I got time for today. We got a new tool in our arsenal, our hot wire cutter. It's pretty deadly for cutting that foam. So next week, why don't we get started on the hood shape? Now that we can start sculpting. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you then. I'm out of here.